Hell yeah.
Yo, Cuss by Reggie, back again. This time we have a review of a product. I usually do clippers, I usually do trimmers, but today we got a review on a shave gel. But before we get into that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Like the videos, dislike the videos, all that good stuff and shenanigans and bells and stuff of that nature, right? So today we have a review of the spray and shave shaving gel, shaving spray. All right, this is a company. I forgot where they're based out of, but you see their bottles. These are a shave gel that is infused with hemp oil, the CBD oils. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all something else rather than just the clippers and stuff like that. So the next video that y'all about to see is me actually showing you the use. But before I get to the use of it, this is my favorite shaving spray, shaving gel, shaving whatever. This is very smooth. And with it having that hemp seed oil and the CBD and all that good stuff, it's very smooth on the skin. All right, it's very smooth on the skin. You still have to put a hot towel on it. But let's say you don't have hot towels or whatever. This is your best bet for a smooth, clear glide across your shaving surface. All right. The video that you're about to see is me cutting my son's beard off. He's growing into his own person. So he said he don't want to be like that right now. He want to see if he like his face without a beard, right? So that's what we about to show y'all. I kind of talked through it a little bit to show y'all, to tell y'all a little review on it. So my quick review of it is right here. It is the best thing to use. All right. I'll leave a link in the description where you can find this set. This is on Amazon. I love it. All natural stuff for the most part. Can't go wrong. All right. So let's get to the video. Again, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. Go get you a bottle, use it, and then tell me I'm lying. Best thing on the market. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and taper his sides in. He don't want no sideburns, so we're gonna go ahead and start with that. What I'm doing here is taking that one guard open, completely open, keeping it dark up here. And I'm not gonna line him up because, you know, he got dreads. He don't really like the line up too much. It can go into your line. So sometimes on people with dreads, depending on how their line is, we don't even mess with it. But he don't like it anyway, so I'm not gonna make him do it. So we're gonna start with the bald. Since you don't want any sideburns, we're gonna start with the bald, the line. And then we're just gonna go in, close, and work my way up. I don't do hard lines too often, so I'm just gonna play with the lever as I go up. Put the half guard on, close, work my way up, cut up a little bit, brush down. And instead of me opening all the way up to go up higher, I'm gonna go halfway, just kind of nudge at the line. Not really going up into it, we're just knocking that line out just a tad. Using your corners. Then I'm gonna open it up all the way. And since I have more room to mess with, I will place the full guard on here. Go back in with your corners and soften that line up. And I'm not going up too high. I did cut it down here, but I'm not going all the way up there with the fade. At least not with these smaller guards. One guard, close, doing the same process. It's just you feathering out. It's like you thinning out that line. You're not really, the way I fade, I'm not really making a complete hard line. Soften it up. Making sure you use that mirror dark line there. So I'll mess around with the lever, close it down just a little bit. And again, I'm not going all the way up, but I will take the 1.5 if I can find it. Take the 1.5 guard, and this will be the highest guard that I use, really just to blend out, not to go into it, but to blend out this darker spot here. He likes to keep it more natural, which is a good thing. So we're not going to go all the way into to where I cut it down. Just gonna soften up that line. And boom. So what I'm gonna do the other side, and then we'll come back to razor this side out. All right, so now I have them leaned back. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna soften up his beard first. Because what I wanna show is the smoothness. I wanna show the smoothness that this spray and shave has when you land it on. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
Smoothness. Y'all see that? And this is not for every shaving gel. Every shaving gel is not this smooth where you can go through this thickness just like that with ease. That hurt. Don't hurt. No irritation. I'm trying to do this behind the camera, guys, so just bear with me. See how smooth that is. Smooth. Look at that. Baby bottom. Baby bottom. Now I'm gonna put my hot towel on there. We're gonna go over again, but I'm gonna show y'all the other side where his hair is already down a little bit. All right, so let's go to the other side. All right, so now we on the other side. I had already cut his beard down on this side. The reason I wanted to show y'all both sides, I wanted to show y'all the smoothness of it first, off, but then I wanted to show you also the smoothness of it going through thicker hair that I haven't cut down at all. Now we're on the other side. And again, trying to work behind the camera, guys, bear with me. But as you can see, very smooth, no irritation. I will leave a link down in the description where you can get this from. It is on Amazon, and of course, I don't remember prices of stuff, so we're gonna put the price in right here. It's right here on this cheek, right there. That's where the price is. All right. So I just wanted to show y'all. Usually I do reviews on clippers and trimmers. Not often I do reviews on product. So I just wanted to show that real quick and show the smoothness of this spray and shave. If I could, yeah, there we go. Spray and shave. This is an 8-ounce bottle. I think they do also have 4-ounce bottles. And as you can see, a little bit of cannabis oil. Cannabis oil. Don't get alarmed. Don't get alarmed. All right. But that's very smooth for your skin, healthy for your skin and stuff. You know, as y'all know, CBD is a big thing going on right now. Here's all the ingredients and everything. So why not? All right. Now we'll be back with the smoothness of his cut. And look at that. Smooth booty. That's a baby. That's my baby's bottom as we talk about it. All right. As y'all can see, I did my taper on him, but he liked to keep it more natural and thick up there. No hairline. But this video was more or less on the, I know y'all probably saying why he keep touching his face like that, because this is my baby. I can touch his face like that. But this is a review on the shave and spray. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below where you can find this CBD oil, cannabis, a little bit of cannabis in there. Look at that, how our ingredients work. Formulated with skin soothing hemp oil, extracts to calm skin before shaving. There you go. And then it also have a teammate, which is the aftershave moisture mist. Also with the CBD. If I can focus. There we go. All right, now we ready to go. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Like the channel. Comment. Look at my baby with the mustache. That's boy grown. We out of here, man. Like the video, subscribe, dislike if you want, all that good stuff. We out.